How to stop Mobile Services Manager on your mobile device. Now in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can stop or disable your Mobile Service Manager. Now all you have to do first is to go into your phone settings. Now before you go ahead and look for that specific feature, Mobile Service Manager is actually a carrier install app that pushes unwanted bloatware apps to your phone, and it is actually safe and highly recommended to disable it to prevent unwanted data usage, battery drain, and system performance issues. For you to disable it, you can use this magnifying glass at the upper right and type in Mobile Service Manager. And from here, you can go ahead and check out on your service state or service provider software version, because right there, there's actually a feature or an option for you to simply disable it. And that's it. That's how you stop Mobile Service Manager on your mobile device.